Alright, today we're going to be talking about finding quality videos. We're going to go ahead and get started on this. The big thing with finding quality videos is you want to make sure that you use your learner progression in order to find the appropriate videos. They're really going to guide you in correcting the correct videos and then eliminating the videos that probably aren't going to progress your students towards mastery. So let's go ahead and explore a little bit further. Alright, so as I said, you want to make sure that you're using this learner progression, which I'm highlighting in green here. We've talked about these quite a bit in videos, so hopefully it's not too new to you. But essentially, each row here is a level of criteria, and it progressively gets more advanced. So as it goes from level 1 to level 2, then to level 3, which is mastery, and then to level 4 would be above grade level. It gets a little bit more difficult, that criteria does. So you can see this one right here has 3 different criteria points. Now, the way that you use this to help select your videos is you're going to go and read what it is that the student has to be able to do to demonstrate mastery on this. So this is about second grader being able to measure length. So in this example, a student needs to be able to point to the 0 line on a ruler and always measure objects starting at that 0 line. So then I go to YouTube, and I could type in this right here. I could type in the standard number. Hopefully something pops up. If not, I'm then going to start using some of this language right here in order to find a video that has that. And actually there's several videos out there that hit that. You'll find that there are quite a bit of videos that will hit your different criteria that you have to demonstrate mastery. So you can see I found one here, and then there's another one here. This next criteria is I can measure an object in inches and centimeters correctly. And then this video is demonstrating how students can do that as well. There's lots and lots of different videos out there. The big thing is making sure that they match your learning progressions, what it is students have to be able to do to master different content. They have to be able to do 1 criteria, 2 criteria, 3 criteria. You may find videos that will incorporate several of your criteria, or they may only do one. So you may have to have several videos for students to look at. So those learner progressions will help you select videos, and they'll help you make sure that the content you're putting in front of kids is actually very beneficial for them. Alright, so now taking a look at this, you'll want to make sure that you embed your video into your learning management system. That's one of the most important things, because I talked a little bit before about why it's so important to do that. The big thing is you don't want students being pulled away from their learning. So when you embed the videos, then it decreases the opportunity for them to go out and explore other videos and get sidetracked from their learning. So inside of Schoology, which I'm showing right here, which is the learning management system that we utilize in my building, when we're in a test or quizzes, those kinds of things, we can embed them. And Schoology actually has kind of like an app, so to speak, for YouTube inside of there. And this is where you can actually search. So in green here, you can see this is the search bar. Inside of there, I would type in 2MDA1, and I would see what videos pop up for that, and then I can preview some of them. Normally, though, what I do is I go to YouTube, I type in 2MDA1, I search those videos there. Then once I find the name of that video, I then come into Schoology and type the name of the video in the search bar. And then that usually pulls up the video below. And you can see I just typed 2MDA1, and here are several videos that I've created that go with 2MDA1. I name my videos the name of the standard, that way people can find them very easily. So once you have that, you're then going to embed the video into Schoology, into the quiz or assignment, whatever you're posting it in. And you can see here is right here what I'm going to highlight in purple. This is a video that's embedded in kind of like a quiz fashion. That way you can kind of figure out how long they watch the video, and you can also then determine, if you need to do anything further for their learning in terms of whether or not they can answer these questions that you see here. So this is actual screenshot, what I have highlighted in purple there, that's an actual screenshot inside the learning management system of an embedded video. So you can see that the student would click right there on the play button. It limits the tabs that are open. It doesn't create a new tab. It just shows it right there. It's kind of like the video is right above the question, and then the subsequent questions follow right below it, and they can always go back and rewatch that video as many times as they want right there. Alright, hope that's helpful, and have a great day.